Welcome guys, so today I am with Samsung Galaxy A33 and I want to show you a few camera tricks. At the first we can start from the standard photo mode. Take a look, when we grab the shutter like that, we can add this additional floating shutter button, and as you can see it works the same like this one that we have right here. So you can use it for example like that, drag it to the right side, and it's a little bit easier to reach this one than this bottom shutter, right? If you want to attach it back, just click, hold, and then drag. You can also click and drag this shutter. Oh, let me just make it one more time, like that. Click and drag to the bottom, and we will take the series of the photo. But when you click and hold, you are able to record the video. You can lock when you drag your finger to this lock. As you can see right now, we can simply record video, take photos while recording. We can pause, play, or just finish this video. Okay, so that was all about this shutter. We can also use the volume buttons that you can find in this place. So when you click once, you can take photos. When you click and hold, you will also take the series of the photo like holding this shutter in this place. When you click on the screen, you are able to increase or decrease brightness level by moving this slider. And when you want to zoom in or out, you can tap on the 2x or ultra wide lens, so that's how you can switch between lenses. And also when you click, you will find additional presets, that's the 4x and 10x. When you click and hold, you will also find this slider, and with the slider you can zoom in and out very smooth. When you click in this place, you are able to add filters. As you can see, they change the colors on our photos. You can find here a few different filters. And also we can go in this place, there's a few additional. If you want to take a photo with this one, just click on the shutter and take a look. As you can see, the photo was taken. If you want to turn it off, just go right here, go for the original, and that's all. You can enable camera timer by tapping on this place. You can pick between 2 or 10 seconds, that's 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Click on the shutter, and as you can see, after this time, photo was taken. You can also enlarge the preview of the camera by going right here, and you can find a few aspect ratios. You can go for the full, for example. As you can see right now, the camera is on the full screen, but you have to remember that it changes also the quality of the photos. So honestly, always the best option is to stay with the default one, 4:3. Right now we can open the settings, where we will find other options that we can use. We can scroll down and we can go for the shutting methods. And right here we can change function of volume buttons. So I just showed you that we can take picture or take series of the photo, right? But we can also zoom in and out and take a look how it works. You can press volume up, this one, to smoothly zoom in. And volume down to zoom out. Okay, we can right now move for the more modes, and when you are a little bit more advanced than other people, you can use the Pro mode. And in the Pro mode you can find few parameters that you can adjust manually or automatically, and you know, with the base knowledge of the photo parameters, you can set them up like that. By moving the slider, you can change the exposure compensation, shutter speed, you can set the focus manually, you can also adjust the white balance, and you can take the great looking photos with this mode. But of course, you have to get this the base knowledge about the photography. So yeah, honestly, that's all for the Galaxy A33. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.